this?
This is completely and utterly awesome.
Wow. No way. That is super cool. Whoa. It's like my perfect face. What?
En het groot sterk.
Whoa.
Now lift it up from the top. That's amazing.
Oh.
But now go to drink it.
That's nice.
How?
A money mug, that's what it is. The money mug? Yeah. I give it the thumbs up.
What if it was simple to use a regular pen and paper notebook while saving everything in the cloud, perfectly organized the way you want? And what if after you saved your notes in the cloud and filled your paper notebook, you could just erase it with the push of a button and use it again? That's not magic, that's the rock.
Meet Tile Slim, the world's thinnest Bluetooth tracker. Tile Slim is as thin as 2 credit cards, which makes it perfect for wallets, pockets, and passports. Attach it to anything. Choose a ringtone with the Tile app. And then rest easy, knowing you can always find your things. Just ring your laptop and find it fast. If it's your phone that you're looking for, press the button on any of your tiles and your phone will ring, even when on silent. And if you lose your wallet, and it isn't where you last had it, Tile can still help you find it. Just ask to be notified when your wallet is found. And when any user in Tile's global network comes within range of your missing wallet, the Tile app will notify you of its most recent location. Tile Slim, the world's thinnest Bluetooth tracker. Get Tile Slim today and never worry about losing your wallet again. Tile, find what matters.
Your cell phone takes great pictures, but you can only get so close. Now you can see what you've been missing with Easy Macro, the 4x magnifying lens that fits any mobile device with a camera so you can capture every little detail close up. Just stretch, point, and click to pick. From practical to fascinating, now all of your mobile devices have the power to capture stunningly sharp detail like never before. Easy Macro is easy to use for everyone and the possibilities are endless. So capture the detail and share it with the world.
How does your phone survive with today's common cable? Do you carry a bulky cable around? Or just put up with your phone dying? Let's face it, the time for a breakthrough in cable design is long overdue. This is LifeLink, the ultra-portable cable that makes charging on the go easy and stress-free. Keep LifeLink in your purse and it's always there for you. Store it in your wallet or your phone case and you're good to go. Attach it to your keys and you'll never be without a cable again. It's your smartphone's new best friend. LifeLink is easy to use. Just plug it into any USB port and get charged fast. Be in your car, on a flight, at work, with a portable battery, on a laptop, tablet, or even a TV. So what makes LifeLink such a breakthrough in cable design? Firstly, it's as long as your credit card and amazingly as thin as two combined. But when opened, it extends to more than double its length. Secondly, the tough red cable is engineered with Teflon technology. This makes your LifeLink a heavy-duty compact cable that's both flexible and built to last. LifeLink works with all Android and Apple smartphones and tablets. And because it's always with you, you can share it with your friends, so they can stay connected too.
Hi, I'm Feist, one of the co-founders of Plus Us. We realized more and more people were getting frustrated, like we were, by getting stranded with a dead phone and no cable.
So we started developing LifeLink to create an ultra-portable cable that best supports your lifestyle and the way that you use your phone.
But LifeLink is much more than a breakthrough in cable design. It goes beyond that.
With every LifeLink ordered, Plus Us will contribute towards a cause of your choice. Provide education for a child, shelter for a family, or clean water for a community. You choose.
Pre-order now and be one of the first to join our community and get your LifeLink this winter.